What's good, bros? This your boy Mikey D, Mikey David, whatever the fudge you want to call me. Today I'm taking you guys on a nighttime drive in my new E63 S, and I'm also going to talk to you guys about why I didn't buy a BMW M5 competition pack. We're at a red light, so no crazy drive. Let's put this in race mode so we can hear a little bit of exhaust. So why did I buy a E63 over a M5? Honestly, it was just, I came from an M4, so I already knew what it was like to have a BMW. And they say that having an M5, hold on. They said that having an M5 is like a different experience from an M4, but I wanted to go and venture out other than just driving a BMW all the time. I'm very happy with this decision. This thing sounds crazy. You hear these crackles and pops. Of course, the M5 has like the blurble tune and all that, so you can you're in. That sounds pretty cool. Don't even get me wrong. But this just has like a raw muscle car feel. Like I feel like I'm driving a Mustang here, bro. Not even a Mustang. I feel like I'm driving a Lambo in a four-door car. I'm being so serious. Like, it feels really good. Honestly, it's probably the best car I have ever had in my life. Comparing this to my M4, I have to admit, it's a big upgrade. I do miss the feeling of the coupe feeling, but we're totally getting off topic. It's topic for another day, but I miss the coupe, bro. Like, completely. I sometimes wish I bought an S63, but we don't got money like that. Yeah, guys, but I chose this over the M5 mainly due to the fact of this interior. Like, this interior was probably the main selling point for me, because I have always been a fan of these beautiful Benz interiors, bro. They sound, oh my god, do you hear that? God, bro, we're coming to a tunnel right now. I hope there's no wind noise. We're coming up to a tunnel right now. Wow, bro, this thing, I don't want to rip it up too much, but oh my god, this thing sounds crazy. Maybe I'll put up this sunroof. Maybe that'll help out a little bit better. Let's lock up these windows. This one you got, oh man, that vibration. Yeah, guys, I have to, by the way, these roads over here is horrible. But yeah, the main reason I bought this is because of this, bro. Just this one long screen, the fluctuating lights that are just so amazing. I probably butchered that word, but it's fine. I love this interior. I cannot begin to just explain to you guys how this interior is what sold me on this car. There is nothing else that I love more than this interior, the handcrafted V8, and that sheer ruthless exhaust. God, that thing is like bah, 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 bah. Like what? God, yo, this is, oh my god, this is like orgasmic. I've never been in a car that just feels so good. I mean, I live in a Lambo, but hey man, you know, can't afford a Lambo, you know. I'm just saying, bro, this is nice, bro. Like, honestly, I bought this pre-owned. I brought this in the pre-owned market for literally like 40-50 grand off. Excuse me, 40-50 grand off the sticker price. And yo, I love it. And I got good money for my M4. And yes, I drive this thing like it's a race car, because that's really what it is. At the end of the day, it's a four-door. To me, it's a four-door drag car. Nothing. Oh my god. I feel like I shouldn't even talk. I'm just saying, I feel like I shouldn't even talk, bro. Like, these crackles and these pops. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, stop, beep, beep, beep. Nobody's in front of me like that. Yo, one thing. This is very annoying. This auto collision warning, this, oh my god, it's really annoying sometimes. I have to admit it. Sometimes it gets on my nerves, but hey, it saves lives, bro. It saves lives. Hands down, it saves lives. Now I'm gonna stop talking now. I want you guys to drop a like and subscribe. Ring that bell and comment down below in the comment section what you want to see from my E63S. You want to see drift mode? You You want to see launch control, which I have a video of. You want to see anything, just let me know down below in the comment section. For now, guys, let's just drive for a little bit. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. My bros, I will see you guys on the next video. Peace, my bros.